Introducing the Ecoflame Cylindrical Wood-Burning Stove. This unique contemporary stove has the benefit of the beautiful soft tones of grey soapstone on both sides and top. Acting as an insulator, this feature enhances the longevity of heat and improves the overall efficiency compared to its steel counterpart. Controlling the burn rate of your stove couldn't be easier. A discreet front-located air slide changes the burn from high to low in just a couple of seconds. The Ecoflame Cylindrical Stove delivers an impressive 5 kW heat output and has an 87% A-rated efficiency, and as such is fully compliant with the Eco Design 2022 regulations, meaning your new stove is one of the cleanest burning appliances available. With the log store base, you have room to keep a few logs ready for easy reloading of your stove. Want to see this stove in action and find out a little bit more? Then pop along to Burning Sensation Fireplaces on Armstrong Street, Grimsby, where a very warm welcome awaits you.